My name is Michelle Rath. I'm the owner of Simple Lashes, and I'm here to tell you about our newest adhesive, Remarkable Retention Plus. It's going to come in a foil pack, a box with a silica pack, and it's going to come in 3 sizes, 3mm, 5mm, and 10mm. So that really depends on what your needs are. It's different, and here's what makes it different. We've replaced the polymer PMMA with PVAc. For some clients, PMMA is problematic. It's a plastic-based polymer, and so sometimes when clients are reacting to something, it's not the cyanocrylates, it is the polymer. So this is a much cleaner polymer. Some clients that were sensitive to other adhesives have no problem with this formula. So that is one of the amazing byproducts. Next is retention, longest retention we've ever seen. So that is an amazing byproduct of switching out the polymers. We're getting a solid 4-week retention. And as you know, that's really difficult to do. The other thing is that this adhesive is temperature driven, not humidity based. So what that means is that it works best in temperatures 68 to 70 degrees, 71 for some people, but 68 to 70 degrees is its sweet spot. Anything over that, and it takes a long time to set. The other byproduct was that the color is different. Depending on the temperature in this bottle, it can drop clear with gray specks, light gray, medium gray, or dark gray. Please don't look at the color of the adhesive when it drops because it will always dry black. The last point I want to make is about sensitivity. For some people, PMMA was the problem in sensitivity, not the cyanocrylates. So by switching out this polymer with PVAc, there are some people that do not react to this at all. And so it's great for your sensitive clients. It has been pretty remarkable. I've had some clients that had to give up extensions and were able to get them again. If they're allergic to cyanocrylates, this will not make a difference. But if it was the PMMA, this could very well be the adhesive for them. Now let me show you how it works. Here's how to use Remarkable Retention Plus adhesive to get the longest retention. It's going to have a stronger settlement, so you need to shake really well, at least 30 to 60 seconds. Then you want to do what we call clearing the chamber. Dispense a drop that you're going to dispose of. Then you're ready to dispense a drop in whatever you use to lash in. So after shaking really well, you're going to dispense a drop into whatever you use. This was not shaken really well, so it's a lighter gray color. This is not going to be a jet black adhesive, but if we reshake it and mix the settlement in the bottle, it's going to be a little darker gray. Don't be alarmed by the color. It's just part of using a different polymer. Here's the beauty of this adhesive. Even if it's a lighter gray, medium gray, a little darker gray, it's going to dry black. So you're going to pick up, dip the adhesive, place it, and in a second or two, once it cures, it will go into a black color. You will not see the gray on the lashes. So remember, Remarkable Retention Plus is the longest retention we've ever seen, but you need to do things a little differently to get that retention. Here are some testimonials from some of our customers who've been using this adhesive. If you want to read them in full, you can pause the video, but just some of the highlights are that some of our customers who were getting 2 weeks retention are now going 4 weeks. As we know as lash artists, that's huge. It's also the best adhesive they've ever used. So these are some things that we are really proud of with this adhesive. This testimonial is really important. I know sometimes when people are struggling with environment and retention, it can really hurt your business. So being able to provide a product that can help people's business thrive and grow is really important to us. So remember to hit the subscribe button and follow us here for more tips and tricks and updates on products. And you can also go to sinfullashes.com and see all the products in our lineup. On Instagram, we're at sinful_lashes, TikTok, Sinful Lashes LA, Facebook, Sinful Lashes LA, and you can email us at info@sinfullashes.com. Thank you for watching.